What's going on, guys? Now, today we are going to change the side marker lights, these here, to the LED all blacked out side marker. Looks much better than the stock. I don't like chrome trim, but yeah, it's pretty simple to do. Just get you one of these body panel tools. If you are scared of the paint, then put some masking tape around it, but I don't think you really need that, especially if you use plastic. There we go. So there's a little side marker, I keep saying side marker. There's a little side button right here that you press, and it'll pop right out. Now you do the same for the other side. And it pops right out. That's simple. These off. Hey. Push down. That's a push down. That's a push down. Did you? Okay. Push down, plug it back in. Alright, so here's the final product. Big difference. If you like the blacked out look, compared to this chrome. That's pretty nice. Like it. So now we're gonna do the other side. It's the same process. I'm trying to clean my car. Alright guys, that's it. No more chrome, black side markers. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and Dr. Haze out.